The first thing I will do is disconnect the battery. The second thing I will do is the box here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 down there to the fourth one down there to remove the air box. Okay, the air box screw here. Okay, the air box loosen. Loosen the bowl. Unplug this. And also this one and this one. Loosen the whole thing. Move this out of the way. Move the whole thing out of the way. Okay, 10 millimeters. Just remove the cover. Just take the cover out. So remove the intake manifold. One. Ten millimeters. Okay, so the bowl down here, I don't know if you can see it. See that? That is the bowl holding the manifold. So you loosen that bowl, which is down there. This one. To get that bowl loose, you need this way. Yeah, this is how I do it. See that? I got 12 millimeters and then this, and turn it, loosen it. Once it's loose, you can use your hand, go down there and get it. Make sure you unplug this also. The wire there, you unplug the wire over there also. Okay, this is the one I use. Now to that 12 millimeter bowl. So you move this manifold. We have to move the manifold, you have to also here. Okay, loosen the clip. here and take it up. The tube over there. Loosen it. So remove all the hose, all the cable out of the way. Now we can take it out. And after you take it out, try to use a spongy cord. Move it out of the way. That's the starter. Unplug this, push it out. Over here, get a 12mm like this. Here's the screw over here. And then you have the, oh, this one's pretty easy to remove it. The clip here. And then you have 1, 2, this is 14mm. Kind of tight. $17mm bowl right there. Right, take this bowl out. Eventually, his long bowl. Remove the old one. I got this new one. Another one. Put this back here. Oh, millimeters. This one. Back here. It's a power connector. This clear back. Make sure this hole go back here. So make sure you plug this back in before you put this thing back, otherwise it's very difficult. So plug down here. So this go in here. Start putting all these bowl back. 1, 2, down here, 3, 4, 5, and then the one bottom at the bottom. The best way to reach it is from underneath. Underneath the car. That's where it is. Do it diagonal. Don't do all top and the bottom. Do top, bottom, top, bottom. Putting all the hose back. Yeah. Go back here. Make sure you plug it back. Plug it back here. Electric connector. Make sure you plug this back in. Make sure all the plug, this one, right there, right here, all this connection. Back. So, and it's good to go. Okay, try to see if the car starts. Just replay the starter. Okay, it started running. Awesome. Okay, thanks for watching.